Hello everyone and welcome back to your YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in the data loader series, today we are going to learn about how we can assign bulk API hard delete permission to Salesforce admin. So first let me show you why we need to assign the bulk API hard delete permission to the admin. So here I am opening the data loader. Now here you can see, to perform the hard delete operation, this option is disabled for the Salesforce admin, and which permission we need to provide so that this hard delete operation will be available for the use. So here I am navigating to the Salesforce org. Then in the quick find box, here I am searching for the profiles. Here you can see under the users option, here we have profile, open it. And now here I am searching for the Salesforce admin profile. Here you can see, here we have Salesforce Administrator. Here I am opening this profile. And now as I search for the bulk API hard delete, here you can see, as I scroll down, under the administrative permission, here we have that permission, bulk API hard delete. So here we need to enable this permission so that we can use the hard delete operation in the data loader. So in this video we will learn about how we can assign those permissions and how we can perform the hard delete operation in Salesforce. Now in this video we will deep dive into what is bulk API hard delete in Salesforce data loader. After that we will see the required permission to use the hard delete operation, and then I will explain how we can use the hard delete operation in Salesforce data loader. So watch the video till end and don't miss any topic. After that you can also able to use the hard delete operation in data loader. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so whenever we post a new video you will get an update. And before moving ahead, here is very big announcement for the Salesforce geekers who really wants to learn the Salesforce. Here we have created Salesforce admin training course. We explain every concept in a simple and easy to understand way, so you can learn step by step with the confidence. So this course is for beginner to the advanced level. In that we have covered 10 modules. You will get lifetime access. So here you can see, here we have covered 10 modules: introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce navigation and setup. After that, Salesforce user management. Then we also have covered Salesforce apps, object and tabs. After that, the Salesforce fields and formulas, UI customization in Salesforce. After that, Salesforce reports and dashboards, Salesforce data management and Salesforce flows. So in this course we have covered everything from beginner to the advanced level. So if you are serious about launching your Salesforce career, check out the course now. We have provided the link in the description box. You can go through it. Now let's jump to the topic, hard delete operation in data loader. Now in the previous video we have seen the delete operation, and now we will understand the hard delete operation. But what is the difference between this delete operation and then hard delete? So let me explain the delete operation. Using the delete operation from the data loader, whatever the records we will delete, those all records will be get stored in the recycle bin. That means if you want to restore those records, you can recover it within 15 days. And using the hard delete operation, if you delete the records, the deleted records will not get stored in the recycle bin. That means the hard delete operation bypass the recycle bin and delete all those records permanently. Now here you can see, in the Salesforce data loader, the hard delete operation permanently removes records from the Salesforce without moving them into the recycle bin. After that, this means that they cannot be recovered once records are deleted using the hard delete. So that means the records you deleted using the hard delete operation from the data loader, those records we cannot recover once they are deleted. Now as I open the data loader tool, so let me close this one first. Here you can see the hard delete operation is not usable. That means all other operations are enabled, but as you click on this hard delete, this operation is disabled. Why this? Because there are some required permissions that we want to enable to use the hard delete operation in the data loader. So first let's see the permission. The first permission we need to enable, it requires special permission. That means user must have the bulk API hard delete permission enabled in their profile or permission set. Let's check this permission on the Salesforce org. For that, click on this gear icon. After that, click on setup. After that, in the quick find box, search for the profiles, because we can enable this permission from the profile or the permission set. So here I am opening this profile, and then you need to open the profile that you have been assigned. But this permission only granted by the Salesforce admin or the user who has authority to enable the permission. So here I am opening the Salesforce admin profile. Here you can see the Salesforce Administrator. Let me open this. Now here I am searching for the bulk API. Control find. And here you can see, let me zoom in. Here we have bulk API hard delete. So this permission is initially disabled. We need to enable this one. Click on this edit. So still it's not editable because we cannot grant this permission directly from the Salesforce admin profile. First we need to clone this profile. For that, again here I am opening the profiles. And then let me open the Salesforce admin. Now here you can see, here we have clone option. As you click on it, now here we need to provide the profile name. So here I am providing clone admin. After that, click on save. The profile has been created. Again let me open the profiles. Now here I am searching for the created profile. Here you can see cloned admin. Now I need to assign this profile to myself, and if you want to assign this profile to the other users, you can do it. So here I am navigating to the users. Because I need to assign that profile to myself. Now here I am opening my user profile. Click on edit. So here I am not able to edit the system administrator profile. For that, here we have another option. Let me open the PPT. Now here you can see, either we can enable that permission from the profile or the permission sets. Now to assign the clone admin profile, we cannot edit the system administrator user. Now we will create new permission set for that user. So let's create the permission set for the admin. Now in the quick find box, search for the permission sets. To create the new permission set, here I am clicking on new button. First we need to provide the label for the permission sets. So here I am providing hard delete permission. As you click on API name, it will be automatically populate, and then click on save button. Now here we need to enable the permissions. For what purpose we are creating this permission set. As you scroll down, now here you can see under the system, here we have system permissions. Click on it. Now as you scroll down, here we need to find the hard delete permission, or you can find using the Control F, and here we need to search for the hard delete. Again as you scroll down, now here you can see, here we have bulk API hard delete permission. Before that, here we need to click on this edit button. Here you can see system permissions. Click on edit button, and again we need to enable that hard delete permission. So here I am checking this checkbox, and then click on save. Again click on save, and now we need to assign this permission set to the user. For that, here you can see, here we have manage assignment button. Click on it. Again, after that, click on this add assignment. Now here we need to select the user to whom we want to assign this permission set. So here I want to assign this permission set to the system administrator user. Check this checkbox and then click on next. After that, here you can set the expiration date. If you want to assign this permission set for the particular time period, you can select this option, and from here you can select the particular time. So here I am selecting no expiration date, and then click on assign. Now the permission set successfully has been assigned. Now let's open the data loader. And after that, here also we need to change some settings. So click on this settings, and then here you can see currently we are using the SOAP API. To use the hard delete operation, here we need to select use bulk API, and then click on the OK. Now after enabling the bulk API, so here you can see undelete operation has been disabled and hard delete operation has been enabled. Now we can use this hard delete operation. For that, click on this button. And now here you can see you need the bulk API hard delete user permission to permanently delete the data. So we have assigned the permission set. So now we can use this hard delete operation. So here I am selecting these cases. Before that, let me show you the cases that we have in the Salesforce org. Here you can see all open cases. Total I have 150 cases. Now again let's open the data loader. And now here we need to select the file that we have exported in the export operation. Click on this browse. We have stored that file on the desktop. Now let's select the file. Here you can see cases to delete and then click on open. Now file has been successfully added. Click on next. Now here you can see here we have 105 records. Click on OK. Now here we need to map IDs. For that click on this create or edit a map. Then click on this add to match fields to column. The ID has been successfully mapped. Click on OK. Again click on next. Now here we have one warning. You are about to permanently delete data. This can't be undone. That means after deleting these cases, we cannot restore those cases which are deleted using the hard delete operation. So here we need to check this checkbox and then click on finish. Again click on yes button. Now here you can see the processing has been completed and the operation has fully completed. There were 105 successfuls, hard delete and 0 errors. Now click on this OK button. Let me minimize this data loader. And now before refreshing this page, here you can see still we have 150 records. Now as I refresh this one, now here you can see here we only have 45 records. That means we successfully deleted the records from the case object using the hard delete operation. Now let's check whether the deleted cases records has been added in the recycle bin or not. For that, here I am opening the recycle bin. And then as I scroll down, here you can see here we only have the account records. That means the before I deleted the account records using the delete operation, those records only available in this recycle bin. As I change this list view, here you can see still we don't have the cases records that we deleted using the hard delete operation. So in this way we can use the hard delete operation using data loader in Salesforce. I hope whatever I explained you have understood that. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so whenever we post a new video you will get an update. Thank you.